In a riveting development in the former President Donald Trump's fraud case, a primary witness came forward today, disclosing that the Trump Organization's chief financial officer orchestrated a covert money-moving operation. It appears the organization was engaged in discreetly transferring funds, akin to a sleight-of-hand act, on Tuesday, October 17, 2023. This striking disclosure is set to intensify the examination of Trump's financial activities. Jennifer Smith, a past accountant for the Trump Organization, shared her account on the trial's third day, delivering some significant revelations. Smith divulged the supposed financial wrongdoings, honing in on the serious charges of tax evasion and financial fraud. Her testimony indicated that she received explicit directions from Weiselberg to alter the financial documents and understate the Trump Organization's revenue. Smith offered an in-depth narrative of the unauthorized activities she witnessed during her employment. She maintained that Meister Weiselberg routinely directed her and her peers to shuffle funds across accounts, intentionally obscuring the trail for auditors and tax officials. She compared this tactic to covertly moving money from one pocket to another. According to Smith, Weiselberg, who headed the accounting department, provided clear instructions on how the funds should be transferred. This purported financial maneuvering aimed to diminish the company's declared earnings, thereby decreasing tax liabilities and augmenting overall profits. The prosecution argues that these actions were systemic within the organization and were part of a larger plot to mislead both federal and state tax bodies. It suggested that the Trump Organization may have considerably underpaid taxes, leading to a potential accumulation of millions in unpaid tax dollars. Weiselberg, a trusted longtime advisor to former President Trump, faced indictment on tax-related charges earlier this year. The charges against him allege a convoluted plan encompassing undisclosed payments, fringe benefits, and various compensation methods to dodge taxes. Prosecutors have been meticulously building their case against Weiselberg to potentially leverage his cooperation in probing the Trump Organization's financial matters. Weiselberg's defense has continuously emphasized the necessity of direct evidence to corroborate their client's involvement in any illegal activities. They contend that while Smith's testimony is persuasive, it doesn't conclusively establish Weiselberg's culpability. The trial's resolution is crucial for the ongoing investigations into the Trump Organization's finances, which include the criminal inquiry led by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. This probe has been scrutinizing allegations of financial malfeasance over an extended period. The Trump Organization has consistently denied any wrongdoing, brushing off the investigations as politically motivated. Earlier this year, former President Trump labeled the charges against Weiselberg as part of the greatest witch hunt in political history. The ongoing trial is drawing global attention, with potential implications for the Trump Organization's financial and legal future, as well as key figures in its financial operations. Jennifer Smith's testimony over the years may play a pivotal role, offering a comprehensive account of alleged financial misconduct within the organization. Former President Donald Trump is expected to attend the civil fraud trial in New York on Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Despite the absence of Michael Cohen, his former attorney turned foe, the trial, revolving around $250 million in fraud allegations, will proceed without Cohen's testimony due to a health issue, causing a week's delay. Trump's lawyer, Christopher Kise, confirmed the former president's presence at the courthouse in Lower Manhattan, where heightened security measures are in place. Kise noted that despite Cohen's claimed health issue, he appears active on social media, raising questions about his condition. Cohen released a statement expressing his readiness to testify against Trump once his health allows, countering Kise's observations. Letitia James, the New York Attorney General, initiated the case against Trump, citing Cohen's 2019 testimony to Congress as a catalyst for the investigation. Cohen alleged Trump inflated asset values for loans and deflated them for tax purposes, which Trump vehemently denies. As the trial awaits Cohen's delayed testimony, it proceeds with accounts from other witnesses. Donna, a Trump Organization accountant, provided detailed insights into the company's accounting practices. Doug Larson, a former executive at Cushman & Wakefield, is anticipated to testify on property appraisals for Trump's 40 Wall Street property in Manhattan. Judge Angren, overseeing the trial, previously held Cushman & Wakefield in contempt for non-compliance with a subpoena, resulting in a daily fine. Notably, This marks Trump's fourth court appearance since proceedings began on October 2nd. Judge Angren estimates the trial's conclusion in late December, with recent proceedings moving swiftly as Trump's legal team opts not to cross-examine. Witnesses revealed their intentions to call former Trump Organization CFO Alan Weiselberg. Post-trial, Trump is set for a 2-hour closed-door deposition in a separate case involving former FBI officials Peter Strzok, Lisa Page Storr, and Page. They were part of the Mueller investigation into Russian interference, filing lawsuits against the Justice Department. A partial gag order by Judge Tanya Chwin prohibits Trump from making negative comments about witnesses and prosecutors in an election interference case, a decision Trump plans to appeal. In a separate fraud case, a limited gag order was imposed after Trump's derogatory remarks.